And after 10 years of knowing each other, you're only telling me this now? You, sir, have single-handedly cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yeah, and frankly, Anton, I'm not even sure we can even be friends after this.
Hold up. Are you as lost as I am? Okay then, let's rewind back like 5 minutes.
And that's it. And then we left the club, and then we're like, yeah, we're not coming back. Dude, are you even listening? Yeah, of course. Because nothing is more important than the useless dream you had last night.
It was not just a dream.
It was all a dream. I used to read What Up magazine,
Salt and Pepper, man, that was the best.
What you doing there anyways? You remember I told you to open a TFSA account? Like 12 years ago? Anton, I don't follow your advices when it comes to gardening and poker, because, well, you kind of suck at both. But I literally do everything you tell me when it comes to finances. So yeah, of course I open a TFSA account. Good. So that means you've also maxed out the contribution limit of $75,000. Wait, what? No. Only like 5,000. That's what you told me in like 2009. Okay, every year your limit increases by about 5 to 6,000. So your total contribution room went from 5,000 in 2009 to now over 75 grand.
Between going out, my brand new car, the girl I started dating, she's on the expensive side. If you know what I mean. I'm literally strapped for cash right now.
So what I'm looking at is my initial investment of 5,000 and the additional money I was putting in throughout the years has now grown to over...
I got this. So 75 grand plus small interest. How much is the interest on savings accounts now? 0.1% or something like that? Okay, so that would be somewhere around 76,000.
Hold on.
You think that TFSA is a savings account? I'm not the brightest cookie in the jar, but I do know that TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. So yeah, it's a savings account.
Okay,
he's actually making a pretty good point. But that's not how I ended up with 150,000 in my TFSA. Hold up, wait a minute. Say that again. 150,000. Again, 150,000. Man, how? Okay, you know how you work really hard. You pick up overtime, you pick up other people's shifts, and then you come home and you give your girlfriend money to spend on stupid shit. Like every week.
Sure.
Gold digger. Now imagine that instead of spending that money, she would invest it in the stock market. Secure funds, nothing fancy. We're talking about minimum risk, so that by the year 12 of you constantly giving her money, she would have at least doubled the investment. A unicorn. A what? A unicorn. A girl you're talking about is a unicorn. She only exists in dreams, my man. Could be, but you're missing the point. That's what a tax-free savings account is actually for. So your 5,000 that's just sitting there for 12 years could have turned into at least 15,000. And after 10 years of knowing each other, you're only telling me this now? You, sir, have single-handedly cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yeah, and frankly, Anton, I'm not even sure we can even be friends after this. I think I had you there. So, what more do I have to know about this magic tax-free savings account? I gotta go. Okay, no, listen, I gotta run. So, just watch this video next, okay? Go, watch it.